Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, today we're going to make spicy corn. So we're only going to be using 3 ingredients. So we're going to be using, we're going to be using garlic butter, masala, homemade masala, and then we're just going to use corn. We're just going to use whole corn kernels. So we're going to start. Okay, we're going to get a knife. We're going to get a knife. I'm going to get a knife. Now we're going to cut it. And then so we're going to put this pot in here. So not this one, it'll be this one because we're on gas. Will it stay on? Yeah. So I'm just stirring until the garlic butter's melted, and then we're going to put this in it. I'm not going to put too much because it's really spicy. So we're going to put the corn in. So with the spoon. I'm not going to have too much corn. So corn's ready. Yeah. Thank you for watching how to make spicy corn with 3 ingredients. So it's just quick and easy for lunch, even when you have roast. So give it a thumbs up, subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie's out. Bye.